welcome to the family.
Well,
Rolling with the family today, y'all.
So,
Me and Daddy rolling.
back to rolling with the fam. Trying to hurry up across the street, y'all, before we get.
Yeah, we out on this breezy, nice Saturday afternoon.
Yes, we out trying to get something to eat real quick.
Yeah, a quick little lunch date.
And probably whatever we get, we'll try to deconstruct it for your at-home series.
So we out here at the National Harbor. You know, it's full of different stores and different eateries. And
Yes.
we love coming down here with everything opening back up, you know, with the pandemic. Just give everybody a little chance to eat good again.
Yes.
Show them a little bit of the different places. And there's a lot of new things down here too. They change up the restaurants so often.
So we got, what's that? Oh, that train didn't survive. That's Bomb 45, right?
And then take a look over there, y'all. If you love seafood, this is the Walrus Oyster House.
But right now, we are passing Bomb 45. We've eaten here plenty of times. It's delicious. Y'all want to see the menu real quick?
It's kind of similar to Ruth Chris.
Some artwork.
They're having some type of festival down there today. A lot of people take pictures right here on these infamous steps. This is where you're supposed to take our family pictures.
Go for it.
Our page. Ferris wheel over there.
Yep.
Well, this is a beautiful day.
Got a map. Ignore the music, YouTube. That's somebody riding past.
If you want a good crab cake sandwich.
It's on the other side of Meza. You can't really see it right now.
Oh, my lobster roll.
Yep, see? Could have got that.
That's on the other side.
Redstone. It's good steaks. See those planes? It's going to Reagan National. Because on the other side of the bridge right there, to the left is Reagan. Because Virginia is on the left. We're in Maryland right here. And to the right, in that far off direction, is DC. In that direction over there. All right, so we've reached our destination. This is where we're gonna eat lunch on our lunch date. So, mom, as usual, delaying and don't know what she want. I already know what I want.
He eat the same stuff every time, so of course it's gonna be easy to know what you're gonna get every time.
I want those steak tacos, and I'm probably gonna get the shrimp tacos as well.
Knowing he should just let me order his food. He gonna end up eating whatever I order anyway.
She wrong for that. She wrong for that.
Okay, this grilled pork, this raised pork shank. Good. All right, I'm gonna go with some fish, caramelized, over some citrus sauce, and top with some shrimp. Don't be in my plate.
Oh, you know I'm a taste.
Hold on, let me just make sure. That's just chicken breast. You know we don't really order chicken when we out.
Yeah, we don't order chicken while we're out.
Oh, we gonna get our guacamole?
Yeah, we're gonna get that because you know the kids want it.
Yeah, sure. They got the best fresh guacamole, especially if you sit at the table.
Yes, they make it right in front of you at the table. So, this is the damage, y'all.
Very expensive. This is like half of their normal menu. When we used to dine there, they had way more stuff than that.
So, as you can see, the prices are kind of like medium. They're not outrageous, but they're not that cheap either. Also, some more artwork. So our next stop is Starbucks. Me and mommy need a pickup. Oh, no mask, no entry.
They gonna like crazy stuff y'all done got on y'all day.
Unicorn cake pops from Starbucks.
Daddy can't get it in the hole.
No, I'm trying to do it where I don't bend the cup. Oh, trust me, I can get it in the hole. Taste it, Mom.
This looks so good.
What it tastes like?
Let me taste it again. It tastes like a strawberry sundae, but I can't really get none of the coffee in it yet. I taste more of the cream so far. You getting any of the coffee?
Mm-hmm.
It don't really taste like it's sweet though.
That's good.
Let's go check on our food. Look,
Oh, this is the other one we got too.
Yes,
It's the dragon, what was it? Mango dragon fruit lemonade.
hold on. Let's start with the color though. That bright fuchsia.
It is bussin'.
They don't know what no bussin' mean.
Oh my God. This shit bussin'.
Okay. Let's go check on our food now. Hopefully it's ready, because I'm about to be hangry. Make sure we check our food before we leave.
Chips, guac, your ceviche, extra, what's the names? My tacos, my other tacos, and Mom's food on the bottom.
Yeah, it's good.
Let's rock before we get a ticket. Mask off. Mask off. Fucking mask off. All right, so we done made it back home, y'all. And here's the spread. Mommy's ceviche, my guac, my corn, my tacos, Mom's fish that she's kind of disappointed.
Kinda. Look.
Because of the portion size. Look how small that piece of cod is.
Rosa playing with me today, yo.
And then we got the fresh tortilla chips, some salsa, and some veggies.
I never had that ceviche, but hopefully it's good. All right. So we about to go ahead and conclude this video.
Yes.
Y'all ain't gotta go home, but y'all gotta get up out our
Yes,
kitchen.
because it's time for us to get down and get to eating.
Okay, roll out, y'all.
All right, we're going to see y'all in the next one, all right?
See y'all later.
Bye.
Bye.